The last rite spiritual exercise. The spiritual exercise of the 35th month in Eckankar is postponed till one is allowed to use it on another. Aside from standard measures of comforting the dying Eckist or Eckankar member may have someone read from Paul Twitchell's Stranger by the River or another Eck, published by Eckankar, book, and sing Hugh by them. Nowadays, people might bring CDs to play or DVDs to listen to. If a person is not of Eckankar, then a sacred text of their faith is read. On either side, I will only read parts of texts that I agree enough with and say chants that I am comfortable with. Does it matter what content is being shared? Wouldn't the sound and the meaning matter more than mere feelings attached to it? I remember someone talked to me in what she thought was her last moments. She asked me what she was to think of. I told her to think of things like how God is truly transcendent or greater than, whatever you fill in the blank with, and other such things of how God is one and not like any and anything, and the best of all qualities, all that sort of stuff. And she agreed, but was certain that there was something she needed to say. She had sort of a panic in her voice as I started to tell her. She fell, and I tried to get her to respond. No one could be reached to go help her. I thought she was dead, but she called back before the night was over. Whether she lives years longer or dies soon, I would hope it is in that level of spiritual awareness that we worked on or that was encouraged or better. Huge